DJI has shown a Pearl White-colored Osmo Pocket 4P gimbal camera during a technology event in Beijing. And this is accessories for DJI Pocket 4P. The Pocket 4P features massive physical dual-camera system. It incorporates two separate lenses, a primary wide lens powered by a 1-inch CMOS 50MP sensor and a secondary 48MP camera featuring a 3x optical zoom, 6x lossless zoom, and up to 12x digital zoom. The Osmo Pocket 4P is capable of 6K recording at 60 frames per second, alongside 4K slow-motion video at 240 frames per second. More importantly for serious creators, DJI will introduce a new D-Log 2 color profile with up to 17 stops of dynamic range. Equipped with 107GB to 128GB of internal storage and ultra-fast 800MB per second transfer speeds over Wi-Fi 6. The leak also points to a major price jump. The Osmo Pocket 4P will land somewhere between €749 and €799. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.